as sales conversion in social media is becoming more difficult, there is something you can do to actually convert 80% of your prospect on social media. And that is what I'm going to show you tonight. I call it WhatsApp Marketing Strategy 2022. Now, there is a strategy you can use to begin to convert all the prospect that you will have in 2022. Follow me. Let me show you how. Now, welcome, guys. My name is Austin Imoru, the guy that believes that you can do much more. So, how can you convert at least 80% of your prospect this year using social media? What social media should you use? Now, this is what I'm going to be exposing you to right now. I want you to watch this video to the end because I'm going to share a bonus that will turn your entire business around. And if you are already a subscriber to the channel on YouTube, thank you so much. I am really, really grateful to you for subscribing to our channel. Thank you. Thank you. But if you are a passerby, what you could do is to join this network of people who are advancing their growth. Now, by subscribing to our channel. And when you subscribe, also hit the notification bell so that you keep getting our content as they come. Now, let's go back to WhatsApp Marketing Strategy 2022. What is a strategy for you to actually sell on WhatsApp? If you can successfully bring people to your WhatsApp, how do you convert them into buyers? If you can bring prospects, you can bring people to your WhatsApp, how do you convert them to become buyers? That is what we are looking at right now. Now, the first thing you should consider doing is what I call increase WhatsApp status strategy. You need a strategy on how to increase your WhatsApp status view. How do you increase your WhatsApp status view? Now, like if you watch my previous video on WhatsApp, I discussed the fact that WhatsApp status is the most powerful thing that has happened on social media. Now, it shocked me to see people sit down and they're actually watching WhatsApp status for hours. I've seen people do that. Not one person, not two, not three. They watch your WhatsApp status. As a matter of fact, it is so common that people have created what they call the WhatsApp TV right now. What they call WhatsApp TV is nothing but their WhatsApp status. So how can you use this to actually boost your sales this year? Now, this is what I'm going to show to you. Now, for you to make people watch your WhatsApp status, you need to use a strategy that I call content. Three kinds of content. Now, the first content is what I call other people's content, OPC. Now, get other people's content. You know, WhatsApp, they are not doing copyright on your content right now. So get other people's content. But you find a way to tailor this content to suit your product, whatever it is that you're selling. Once you get this content, cut them to size, WhatsApp status size, then you begin to share them one after the other. Then the second one is what I call content hub. Will people see your WhatsApp as a content hub? I mean, your WhatsApp status, where they could say, okay, I've not checked John's status today. Let me go and check it. Let me see what John is presenting today. Now, the way you can turn your WhatsApp status into a content hub that people will come to look at is what I call building WhatsApp content intentionally. I've done a video on that. I'm going to put it right here for you to go and watch. Now, another kind of content you are going to do is what I call the deliberate thumbnail content. Now, what you should understand about WhatsApp is that the last content you post becomes the thumbnail of your WhatsApp status. In other words, before they click, that is what they are going to see. So if you use this three strategy, your WhatsApp content, your WhatsApp status view will increase geometrically. Number two, strategy that you need is increase your audience strategy. Now, how do you increase your content, your contact base? Now, I've done a video on that. I don't want to go through that again, so I'm going to put it up there for you to go and watch. So let's go to strategy number three. Strategy number 3 is what I call selling success strategy. How do you sell on WhatsApp? How do you do that? What is your selling strategy? Now, I've said it over and over again. You do giveaway in Instagram and on Facebook. You don't do giveaway on WhatsApp. You need to learn how to do giveaway on WhatsApp. Give something away. Now, give something before you ask for help or you ask for favor, because selling is you asking them to buy from you. So give something first. What can you give? You can give a taste test of your product. I don't know what your product is. You can ask me in the comment section. But you can give a taste test of your product, that product that you have, give a taste test. Now, a best thing you can give on WhatsApp is what I call life-saving knowledge. Now, there are different kind of knowledge out there that are life-saving. They are everywhere, life-saving information. Now, like I said, they shouldn't be your content, or they might not be your content. Get it somewhere else. Now, how do I do this? How do I do that? People are looking for how. All kind of how are life-saving content you can use to actually boost your sales. So thank you guys. I mentioned 3 strategies. The first one is WhatsApp status increase strategy. The second one is what I call increase audience strategy, and the last one is selling success strategy. When you use these 3 strategies in 2022, you will be able to sell to anyone on the WhatsApp platform. Now, my bonus, I promise you a bonus. We found out from research and from what we have been doing with WhatsApp that if you use a time queue, your message will easily be open. In other words, when you are opening your broadcast, use time queue. For example, you want to send a broadcast message, you start with time queue, then space down, space bar, then you space down before you type any other thing you are going to type. You know why? Before they open that message, while they are looking at their phone, before they even get to WhatsApp, they will say thank you. Everyone resonates towards thank you. They want to find out, what is Peter thanking me for? What is Jane thanking me for? So they open your message and they read. So you wanted to read your message fast and easy? Use thank you. That is my bonus for you. So guys, when you use this strategy, give me feedback on the comment section. You have a business, the kind of business that you want to know, the kind of information you should send out there to get to people, reach me on the comment section. I'll be there to respond to you very quickly. Thank you so much, guys. Don't go without subscribing. Don't go without hitting the notification bell, and don't go without liking this video. If you found tons of value in our video, know that we will keep this momentum on. So join our tribe of doers, our tribe of people that want to grow their business, want to grow their finances, and they want to grow themselves. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.